Hello and welcome to Lesson 2H. I can determine whether a given definition is a good definition and write it as a biconditional statement. So we can use biconditional statements to write strong geometric definitions. A good definition can always be written as in biconditional format because a good definition should work both forwards and backwards, or we could say in conditional and converse form. So for example, a penny is a coin worth 1 cent. If I were to write this as a conditional, I would write, if a coin is a penny, it is worth 1 cent. Okay. Now that's a true statement, right? Now the converse of that statement would be, if a coin is worth 1 cent, then it is a penny. That's also a true statement. Well, because both of those are true, I can write a biconditional statement. Be a coin is a penny if and only if it is worth 1 cent. And so that's how we test to see if a definition is a good definition. We see if we can write it as a biconditional. Now your turn. I want you to take the statement, a triangle is a polygon with exactly 3 sides. I want you to write it as a conditional, and then flip it to find its converse, and then write the given biconditional. Okay guys, check your answers against mine and make sure you agree. All right, so we've looked at how it can work for a bad definition, but writing biconditional statements or trying to write a biconditional statement can also sniff out a bad definition. So for example, a fish is an animal that swims. So let's write that as a conditional statement and then flip it for the converse. If an animal is a fish, then it swims. That, guys, that's true, right? That's a true statement. But now let's look at the converse. If an animal swims, then it's a fish. Well, that is false, because I can think of lots of swimming animals that are not fish. For one, we like to go swimming, right? So humans swim and we aren't fish, therefore that's a false statement. So what I want you guys to do now is look at the following 2 definitions. Ask yourself, is it a good definition? And if it is, write a biconditional statement. And if it's not, state why not. On your mark, get set, go. All right, guys, I want you to take a moment, check your answers, make sure you agree. And this is the end of video 2H. Go ahead and do the practice and then take a look at the knowledge check. Thank you very much.